last video we chopped open the coconut water. Now we're actually going to sample some. Yeah. Just continue. Okay. Excellent. Excellent job. Now we're going for the jelly. Oh God.
This is not gonna be well.
Lord, all right. Let me move these. Let me move the liquid gold to the side. Okay.
This is not easy.
Again. No, at this point in time, yeah, you hate me. Yeah, you officially hate me. That has to be intentional.
I'm just trying to get you the jelly.
I think that's enough.
Is that enough?
Yeah, we can.
Is that good? Can we get jelly out of that?
Yeah, we can fit a spoon in there.
I don't think so.
Right.
All right, is that good?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Fit a spoon.
Yeah. All right. Coconut water.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.
All right. Coconut jelly and coconut water.
Oh. What is
On
this?
the table.
Oh.
Okay. Success.
Success.
Thank you for watching. Like and leave a comment.